Peer reviews. What steps do I need to take? In peer-reviewed activities, you and the rest of the students assess each other. To find out if you have any peer-reviewed activities, take a look at your to-do list or the module section in the Canvas classroom. When you're assigned someone to assess, you'll see their name below the activity. To get started, enter the activity and click on your classmate's name on the right side of the page. The viewer will open for you to start the assessment. Just click on View Feedback to open the project you need to review. Once open, you'll see two menus. A top menu to make specific annotations to the work, and a side one on the right to add general comments and attach files, and to access the rubric if there is one. How do I do a peer review with a rubric? Teaching staff can provide assessment guidelines with a rubric to guide you. If so, you'll see the Show Rubric option at the top right of the review page. First, review the work and then select the degree of achievement for each criterion of the rubric. There are different types of rubric. Some will be linked to the score for the assignment, while others will not. When you're done, click on Save. How do I make a general comment on the assignment? If you want to, or if the teaching staff ask you to, you can leave a comment in the Add a Comment field. This comment can be text, or you can attach an image, video, or audio recording. How do I annotate the work? There is also the option to annotate the work. You can use the tools at the top of the main window to do this. They allow you to underline, strike through, enter text, draw, etc. You also have the option to download the file, make the annotations on your computer, and then upload the file to the space for comments. How can I see the review of my work? To see how you've been reviewed, go to the activity and click Submission Details on the right-hand side of the page. Here, you'll see the comments your classmates have made on your work.